Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to check screen time in Windows 11. So let's get started. So if you want to check your screen time, how long you have been using your device. Now to do that, what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply tap on the Window key in your keyboard and then search for settings. And after searching for settings from here, what you can do is tap on system, which you can find in the left side of your screen. After tapping on system, now you just have to tap on power and battery, and inside your power and battery scroll down and you will find battery usage option. Just simply tap on it and you will find a graph. So from here you will just simply select the option, and after selecting it, now it will show you which app you have been using the most. So I have been using this system for 45% and Chrome for 18%. So now you can just simply some other options. So at 12 p.m. now, if you just scroll down, then you will find all the content. So I have not been using my computer at 12 p.m., so it is not showing me anything. But at 11 p.m. here you can see I have been using Chrome the most and then system. So now you can also customize it. So simply tap on last 24 hours and you can change it the last 7 days of your screen time. So here you can see guys, screen on, screen off. So the screen off was 3 hours and the screen on was 7 hours in this following day. So in this way you can also just simply check your screen timing. So that's it guys, this is how to check screen time on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.